What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Don Franz Show, and in this quick video, we are going to talk about Apple. Apple had their debut event where they talked about what's coming up. We saw 4 different styles of iPads and their new Apple Watch. Apple Watch, I am absolutely pumped about. I love the fact that they're getting into the health industry. I'm a huge proponent of that. I think everybody should be taking that seriously. I will always have an Apple Watch on me. It's the first time with the new sleep app and the new iOS coming out that I actually thought maybe I need 2 Apple Watches. You know, so I can just have one charging while I'm wearing one and just constantly have one on to monitor my sleep, you know, my oxygen and everything. Once you know how to read all that, you can actually take a serious look at your health. You know, live a little bit longer. But let's talk about the stocks. Speaking of living longer, how long is that position you're in going to last? What is going on? So we saw, if you watched Apple today, I don't know if anything reacted to the news. I was watching it live. You know, just midway they were talking, Apple decided to sell off. Aside from tech, where tech kind of stayed sideways. You know, in fact, actually, let's compare that right now. Let's actually bring up the NASDAQ. I wonder if we can let's make that blue. There we go. Let's do this. So, percentage-wise, that's what it changes this to. We saw NASDAQ really kind of hang out, yeah, kind of go flat right here. Where's the open? Right, so, I guess Apple are already up, so maybe a lot of that was just profit-taking. While that is kind of just distracting now. We knew that it didn't really hang with the tech as far as NASDAQ goes. Inside the QQQ, it's actually been a while since I've actually fact-checked this, but I think Amazon's the #1 weighted with 15%, followed by Apple at 10%. So often when I'm checking the NASDAQ, I have an idea of what's going on with Amazon and Apple as well. In third place should be Microsoft. I think it's 7. Fact-check those numbers. Still, that being said, I still play the charts by themselves, which brings me to my next point. Play the charts, not the news. Again, we saw it had a nice run up. It was turnaround Tuesday. We kind of thought gap and crap anyway. It did just that. It pumped back up, and then right about here's where it started to sell off. Now, we were already kind of watching this area right here for some sellers. Looks like we hit that, found them, sold right back off. The question is now, are we about to make a higher low? Did we find some buyers? Right here at the end, we ran off, and it got bought back up. And you guys can see, even we're talking about just from today and yesterday, right there. Right? Someone was buying it up there, and they still are now. So how many of those buyers are actually still there? Are they holding it? Is this going to be, was that it? A wick is often a sign of rejection. In this case, is it a sign of what's to come? Now, I have a lot of people that follow me, and Apple tends to bring in a little bit of everybody. So you got to ask yourself this right now. Are you trading Apple for the next 10 days or the next 10 years? This is a conversation I've had to go into quite a bit lately, especially with Tesla being on the map, especially because I'm doing both. Now, I actually haven't added in Apple to my E-Trade account. That's my investment account. One second. Might be able to change that for you guys right now. It should still be open. I don't even know their hours. Let's get our trade on. I think I'm going to buy some Apple. I think this right here, as far as investment goes, it's going to be a good time, I think. Is it Power E-Trade? I'm brand new to E-Trade. I just started the account not too long ago. So let's get this going. I don't know where it shows my information. Shouldn't show my account number, does it? I don't know. As you guys can see, we're on Apple. There should be no information in here. Just in case, we're going to buy some. What's it at? Let's buy. extended plus 115 limit. Let's do this. Let's grab one more share in there. Let's do this. So if you guys, so in the account, I'm just going to buy 5 shares. Again, started this account. Anyway, it's up. Started the account with $1,000. I've this year, I know that. I don't know how much it's up. So we're gonna buy just 5 shares of that. We're gonna get that rolling inside here. I like Apple because we're gonna stick around for a while, right? It's got a great dividend, and it just cool. It doesn't even show my account number. A live trade. It filled. Doesn't really mean anything. Anyway, we are going to rock that, keep that for the dividend. I've been waiting to actually add Apple, and I wanted to pull back. I think we're going to make a higher low here. As far as tech goes in general, we do have the Fed announcements tomorrow. Investment-wise, I like Apple right here. I probably won't add on if it breaks this yellow zone right here. I want to make sure we held it first. We are technically still making a lower high, but I'm thinking tomorrow might be kind of green. I do think tech, again, let me get back to this, is going to cool off. I bet we're going to see some trouble right around here, pull back down to here, and do something along the lines of like this. You know, maybe hang out for a little bit, get through October, maybe even dance around a bit before we actually break out and go up. I'm still pretty bullish Apple overall. Fundamentals aside, I just like the company in general. If I'm trading this right now, for the next 10 days, not as an investment. And, you know, I wouldn't want it going below that wick. I probably would tag out and then get back in down here. Yeah, that's how I trade that one. So tomorrow with the Feds, I want to see how we do. If we're bullish, I want to get above here. I think once we get above here, we'll really need to worry about sellers up here. But I like Apple, keeping an eye on these zones. We sold off. I don't. That doesn't care. I think that just like as you guys just saw, I think gave a good dip buy. So I'll wrap it up here. I'll leave it there with you guys. If it breaks below this, I don't like it. Trading it, investing in it. Now I won't necessarily stop out as far as shares goes. I will actually keep those. But I don't think I like buying it while it's trending down. So if it breaks this, I think the pullback is going to be a little bit deeper. So I'll set my alerts probably right here. I do like it to add on. Apple's one of the easiest ones to buy and hold. I think we just got a little bit crazy. So currently, for the next few days, I think we need to get above here, smooth sailing up to at least that zone. Right now, all eyes right here. Got in here. I'd exit here. Move my stop up pretty tight once we got to that purple zone in case we didn't break through and we came back down. So I'll leave that here with you guys, and I will see you in the next video. If you like what you see here, guys, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to do some short videos for you guys. Hit the subscribe, hit that little bell. Saturdays we're going to start doing educational stuff. So if you're into options or you want to learn options, I'm going to have to hit that pretty heavy because there's a lot of YouTubers out there that just don't know what they're doing. So I'm going to try to at least get you guys up to speed and profitable. I will see you guys in tomorrow's live stream.